you guys. Today I am shifting gears with my project for my camper. I've been renovating my Boler to prepare for summer, and the last thing that I was working on was my window coverings. Now I've actually completed the window coverings, but I'm going to show you that in the next episode because today I have a good stretch of weather right now and I really want to focus on installing my new vent cover. Woohoo! The current vent cover that I have right now is from the 70s and it's been causing me some problems with leaking a little bit and it's no bueno, and it's also pretty small. So I'm going to cut another hole in my Boler and I'm actually going to increase the size of the vent cover by several inches. And I like this one because it has a Skylight vibe. So yeah, I think this is gonna be good. I've done a lot of YouTubing on how to do this and I feel ready. Without further ado, let's just get right into it. Okay, so this is the old vent cover. It has seen better days, that's for sure. It's not looking very cute anymore, and water was getting in, I think from this crack, but it could have been from really quite a few different places. So what I'm gonna do is, because the next vent is quite a bit bigger, is I'm just going to leave this in and cut around this area just to expand it. Already I can see a problem. So where the edge of this original one is, there's no more wiggle room. So I'm actually gonna have to remove this, I think. Try to do things the efficient way, but dang it. What am I gonna do? You have to be really careful when you're on top of these fiberglass campers because they have no actual support. They're just a shell. So I'm trying to stay over here on this ridge and kind of put my weight on the side too in hopes that I don't ruin this thing, because some people say that they're so weak that you shouldn't even put solar panels on them, but there's no way that they're that weak. But I mean, best to be careful. Hopefully I don't cause any damage up here. Okay, so I kind of have a game plan. First things first, I'm going to cut out the square. The box has like a... Ooh. Do you see the top of the Boler just push in? Oh my god. Anyway, I'm going to cut out this square first and then go from there. Look how much bigger that is. So much bigger than the original. So I realized I just need to go along this line here because that is the absolute edge of where I can cut anyways. And I'm still going to cut this out rather than remove it. And hopefully that goes all right. Fingers crossed. This always stresses me out, cutting into the Boler. And I don't have an even edge to put this on. Dang it. Okay. Okay. That was the hardest edge. And it's over now, so that's good. There's a little bit of fiberglass damage here. Check this out. Right there. A piece chipped off, but that's okay. Dang, the elephant skin, it cut really clean. I'm impressed. I can totally see that this bend in the roof is going to be a pain in my ass. Oh my god, there's a huge hole in my Boler. Okay, moment of truth. Does it fit?
So they get to my car and he's sitting in the car. And I'm like,
look at how much light that lets in. Still just a little bit more. All right, I have it cut to shape and I'm gonna do something kind of unorthodox because it's just me and I don't have any help. So in a perfect situation, I would have somebody in here to hold this up for me, but I don't have that. So I'm gonna try to just glue it temporarily to the elephant skin and then hope that when I screw into this, it catches. Unorthodox. I've been pushing this thing on for like 15 minutes, so I hope this works. Oh my god, I just started filming because I thought it was done, but then it released. I think I used too much crazy glue because it's not curing, it's just still runny. Oh no. That's the sound of my glued thing coming off of the ceiling. So now what? I was so close to doing it. So little change of plans here. I cannot use the wood on the inside because I do not have anybody to help me right now. My two closest friends are out of town and I have already poked a hole and now I need to make sure it's watertight. So unfortunately, I'm gonna have to do things a little bit differently. So I'm just screwing it on from the top. I've drilled pilot holes that are the perfect size, so it is gripping to the fiberglass quite well. I can tell because the butyl tape is squeezing out of the sides a little bit here. And so I'm just going to screw this in and use some nuts on the inside to double secure it. And then I will cover it with the covering that came in the box. So I think that about an hour and a half of today was wasted, but that's okay. We're gonna get this done anyways. And just like any good social media post, I'm on a time crunch and I actually have dinner with a girlfriend an hour and 10 minutes and she's 35 minutes away. So I want to get this finished and I want to then seal it up. So my next issue is this overhang from the curvature of the roof. And this is the exact edge that the previous Skylight was on, but it was not built the same. Ooh. What's a girl to do about this? This is not good. So I know that there's a line of butyl tape that is contacting because I put 2 strips. So I know that it's watertight, but man, it's hideous. This is gonna be one of those ramshackle moments where I'm just like, let's do the best we can with what we've got.